So over the last few years, foldables have turned from gimmicks to must-buys. A lot of people question the durability of this screen since you're constantly folding the displays. However, Samsung has nearly perfected the folding technology to the point of no creasing on its displays. Now, companies like Apple and LG are looking to break into the folding market, but it's really Samsung leading the way and innovating with different types of foldables. Now, the two lines Samsung has out right now are the Z Flip and Z Fold series, both of which are awesome, but they're not exactly cheap. If you're looking at buying a foldable for the first time, going with the Z Flip series would make a lot more sense because it's the cheaper option. Of course, we're going to take a peek at the Z Flip series in action, and of course, if you want to learn more about this phone or foldables in general, will have some resource links in the description. Now, I will say this is easily one of the coolest phones to release this year. It's got a 6.7-inch foldable display, which is amazing for watching video and gaming. And it's also very easy to carry around in your pocket, so it's super pocket-friendly and lightweight, for the size it is. Now, I'm actually going to fold it up so you can kind of see it folded, but it is just so cool. It's got the clock on the outside of it as well. Now, the first thing I want to do here is show you an example picture, but camera on this is really good. It's got a 12 megapixel back camera. It can record in 4K at 60 frames per second. And it has a 10x zoom feature on it that is really good. Now, I will say that, Samsung always has really good cameras on their phones, and clearly this is no exception. And this is actually the one case I bought for this phone, but I took a picture of it. But I mean, the up-close detail you get on some of the photos, absolutely amazing. So if you're into phone photography, this phone is awesome. All right, the next thing I want to do here is go over the video and sound quality. So I'm going to play a 1-minute clip for you guys, and then we'll move on to the next thing. Okay, so next I want to go over the performance of this phone, playing a couple high graphic games, Marvel Contest of Champions and F1 Mobile. So let's check it out. Right, so is the Galaxy Z Flip 3 worth buying? Absolutely. Like I said in the beginning of this video, it's one of the coolest phones to release this year with that 6.7-inch foldable display. It's got some cool wallpapers on it as well. I'm actually just switching this up. It's great for phone photography, and like I said, you can also get it significantly cheaper than $1,000 on some of the different trade-in offers Samsung has, as well as just some of the deals. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about this phone, feel free to message me below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we will see you in the next one.